we're now getting a live demonstration here that's connected back to Aalbourg University. And joining us for that is Ignacio. Good to have you with us.
Yes, thank you very much for the opportunity of explaining this. So in this demo, what we can see here, we have a live video feed from our small factory in Denmark. And from here, we can actually live control some of the robots in our factory using 5G.
Oh, let's see that now.
Exactly. So what is going to happen now is I'm going to move one of the robots that is indicated by the green triangle and the green KPIs that we have here.
Okay.
And this is actually a very special robot. I'm going to send it now to position number 1. So it should start moving shortly. Now I'm sending the command over there. You can see that it's starting to move and to navigate. And there is something that is very special about this AMR. That is all the software complexity, all the computational power has been moved to the cloud, and we are making it work thanks to 5G connectivity.
And as it goes around the bend there, explain to us how we convince the plant manager or the smart warehouse manager that this is a critical technology for them.
It's a critical technology because when we want, let's say, to have this level of reliability to manage our robotic entities in our factory, we need a stable connection for this. So, for example, we cannot offload all this complexity using Wi-Fi. We need something that is reliable, and 5G is the technology for doing that. Also, on top of that, it's not only about putting 5G connectivity, we can enable new innovative, let's say, product on tops of the AMRs, because we can improve, let's say, the fleet management opportunities, and maybe create a virtual world that is shared among all the robots in the fleet. And this is something that we cannot do if we cannot put the PLCs in the cloud, for example.
So this is all about ultra-reliable, low-latency communications tied into the cloud to ensure that everything's functioning all appropriately. Tell us why these types of relationships like Aalbourg University with Nokia BellLabs are so important to this development.
I think it's very important because we as a university, we are, let's say, a neutral player in all this industry and 5G for industries and so on. So our main goal, let's say, to do research and development and demonstrate that 5G technology is very useful for operational technologies. So we just want to help both ends, OT and IT, to integrate and show that there is a lot of potential by using this technology.
Fascinating. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.